Hello everyone, welcome to Module 10. This week's module is presenting your professional self. So what does that mean? Basically, this week we are focusing on how you show up professionally, not just in your work or in person, but in how you communicate your skills, experiences, and your professional identity to others. So whether you are actively job searching, are just beginning to build your network, or are currently working in the healthcare industry and want to expand your network, the tools that we focus on this week and throughout the MHA are going to help you throughout your career. In this week's module, we'll explore a few key components of building your professional brand. So not everything that's available out there, but some of the most important elements and the elements that students tend to struggle with the most. Things like creating or updating a resume. You all should have a resume. You did apply to the MHA with a resume, but it may not fit the style and format that best works in this industry. So I have posted a sample resume and some resources, including links to the Shopper Career Accelerator and other support services that can help you build out a resume that works for this industry. I will warn you, resumes in healthcare administration are a lot more streamlined, boring maybe, than you might be used to. And there are reasons for that. The primary reason is you want somebody to see your resume, and they can't see it if it doesn't get past their filtering software, which most large healthcare organizations, and even a lot of smaller ones, use software that filters through resumes, looking for keywords, looking for specific experiences, all kinds of different items they are searching for, and filter out anything that doesn't exactly meet those expectations. So when we change our format, when we use the style that we are presenting in this module, it helps us have a better chance of getting your resume in front of an actual person. So that's one of the things we'll focus on this week. We will also be talking about refining your LinkedIn profile, which maybe you have one, maybe you don't, and maybe this seems like something that is standard or a little bit frivolous, but you would not believe how important LinkedIn is in healthcare administration, is in just the healthcare industry as a whole. It is absolutely crucial that you have a LinkedIn that is updated and that it reflects your skills and experiences, because it is really the way a lot of people get to know you. It is your first impression for many, many people in the healthcare industry. So we'll focus a little bit on that. We'll also talk about some other tools like making an effective email signature, which I know is something a lot of people overlook, or obtaining professional headshots, which again is something you might not have considered. So we will look at those different tools, look at those different resources that are available to you, and work on spending some time this week devoted to your professional brand. So the assignment this week is going to be very flexible, but it's also very practical. Basically, you are going to choose an area that we focused on in this module, and you're going to dedicate some time to improving your professional branding in that area. That might be rewriting your resume. That might be just scheduling some time with the Shopper Career Accelerator. It might be arranging for headshots. It might just be creating a LinkedIn profile. Everybody will have to have a LinkedIn profile as well for this week's module. So regardless, you're going to be doing that, but you're also going to be investing some time into working on how you present yourself professionally, and you're just going to submit some evidence of your work this week. So there's a lot of different options posted in the module. Feel free to review them. Let me know if they aren't working for you, if there's another way you want to work on your professional image this week, and we can talk about that as well. But it's really up to you how you want to spend your time, how you want to invest your work this week. The goal is just making meaningful progress towards crafting your personal brand, towards presenting yourself with confidence in professional settings. So as always, if you have questions, if you have concerns, if you are unsure how to best approach this assignment, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to meet, happy to chat with you, happy to brainstorm with you the best ways to work on your professional image this week. And I really want to help you be successful in this area because I know we focus a lot on the academic in this program, which of course we should. It's an academic program, but I want to make sure that as you begin engaging with the industry, even if you are already working in the industry, I want you to have all the tools that you need to be successful. And this is a big part of it. So please reach out with any questions, any concerns. We will work it out together. So as always, I hope you have a fantastic week. Thanks.